Guys, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back again after 2 years and I'm super excited to be doing this video because I am going to be doing an underarm skincare routine. So monsoons are here, so I thought why not do something different because the skin is really sensitive and we need to be taking extra care of it. So step by step I'll be talking about what all I do in order to keep them looking fresh, beautiful and hydrated. So guys, the first step I do is cleanse them thoroughly. So in the morning only I take extra care of it. So I take a sulfate-free very gentle cleanser for it because monsoon humidity can lead to excessive sweating and it can entrap bacteria, which thereby is going to cause a lot of sting. So using a gentle cleanser in the morning and in the evening as well will help them in staying fresh and prevent any kind of unpleasant odor which you might experience. So guys, the next step is going to be using a scrub. So I always use a scrub. I use it every other day, guys. But if your skin is really sensitive there, you can use it every alternate days or maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Usually I go for a coffee scrub, but even if you want to make a Upton pack at your home, that is going to be excellent scrub as well. So especially during the monsoon season, the skin become congested, guys. So you need to be taking off that extra layer of dead skin cells and all the buildup of bacteria, dirt, grime and all of those sorts. You need to be taking care of it with a gentle scrub. So I scrub it for good 1 to 2 minutes and then I rinse it out using a lukewarm water and it works amazingly well for me. And guys, a little something that I want to tell you is if you are somebody who sweats a lot and you want to get rid of the odor, so what you can do is take a bit of baking soda and squeeze some lemon and put it there just for 1 minute and rinse it out. You're going to have beautiful, fresh and odorless underarms throughout the day. Next up is gonna be, guys, if you are somebody who is highly pigmented here, so you can use the same serums and the same moisturizers that you use for your face, and I would recommend it to use it at the end of the day, like at night. Cleanse them thoroughly and apply a good layer of serum or a moisturizer. So because I already told you, this skin is really sensitive, guys, and it's very prone to pigmentation. So what I do is if there is a lot of pigmentation happening in my underarm, so any anti-pigmentation serum that I apply on my face, I also pat it on my underarms. And yes, it does help in giving me really good results. Guys, next up is gonna be deodorizing. Now we need a deodorant which is alcohol free, which is completely safe to use, would not cause any damage to the skin in form of pigmentation or any kind of buildup here. Roll-on, which helps in keeping my skin fresh and it also gives me a very pleasant fragrance throughout the day. So this is one and only Dr. Sheth's Kesar and Kojic Acid Underarm Roll-on.
It has 6% active ingredients to tackle underarm odor, manage sweat and visibly fade pigmentation. You will notice reduction in underarm darkening with consistent use. It is infused with lactic acid, kojic acid and it has kesar which soothes the skin, and it also has aqua fragrance which ensures long lasting fragrance.
Here is going to be some pro tips for you all. So guys, make sure that in this season especially you wear cotton fabric because cotton fabric is breathable. So even while you sweat, guys, it is just gonna get evaporated, which is a great thing. So you want to be avoiding any kind of fabrics which is synthetic because, guys, synthetic clothes can entrap moisture leading to irritation and unpleasant odor. So always go for your cottons and linens. Also during your bedtime, guys, you can opt for a very mild pampering routine for your underarms. After cleansing it, apply a bit of toner and your serum, any correcting serum that you want to use, and then you can doze off to sleep and you will wake up with beautiful looking underarms. Also guys, do not forget what you eat and put inside your body is what is going to show outside, and it also affects how you feel and smell. So you can incorporate plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables which will help you in detoxifying your body and also will keep the bad odor at the bay. Also guys, did you know any food which is rich in chlorophyll, like all the green leafy vegetables that you see around, act as a natural deodorizer for your body. So follow this routine in order to have beautiful freshly looking underarms this monsoon season. I really hope that you like the video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also guys, do not forget to check out Dr. Sheth's Roll-On. You'll not be disappointed. This is a holy grail in my underarm skincare routine, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.